Have you seen those satisfying Minecraft block cutting videos that get millions of views? Some are going viral on TikTok with just one knife and one block, and they're making thousands of dollars every month. There's a TikTok page with only 9 to 3 videos, and guess what? One of their videos has over 5 million views, another has 4 million, and others are gaining popularity too. And it's just Minecraft blocks being cut with a knife, but it's so satisfying, people can't stop watching. Now here's the best part. You don't need to be a video expert or spend money. I'll show you step by step, using just one website, how you can create the same kind of videos for free. So stay with me till the end, because I'll guide you through every single step, from what you need to where to generate everything. By the end, you'll be ready to create your own viral ASMR Minecraft block cutting videos, and maybe even earn from them. To make this kind of video, you have to watch this full video carefully. We'll be using ChatGPT to create the idea, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's start. And here's some good news for you. If you already have access to VEO 3, then making ASMR videos will be super easy for you. But here's something even better. I have a special bundle for you. It includes 348 ready-made ASMR videos that you can post right now on your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. You'll find the download link in the description below. Just click on it and you'll see a page like this. There, you can instantly download all 348 ASMR Reels in just one click. It's super simple and you can start uploading them today. So if you want to grow your account fast without showing your face or recording anything, this bundle will save you a lot of time. Before we get started, let me tell you something that could literally save your content career. It's called Nexus Clip, and it's a total game changer. If you're tired of creating long videos that no one watches, this tool will blow your mind. You upload one long video, and it automatically cuts out the boring parts. It finds the best moments, adds subtitles with one click, and boom, your viral short is ready. But wait, it gets better. You don't even have to open TikTok or YouTube. Just hit share, and Nexus Clip will auto-create your title, description, and category. It's like having an entire editing team in your pocket. Link in description, check it out. You can keep editing for hours, ready to let AI do it in seconds. What would you do with all that saved time? Do it. First, go to ChatGPT, and then click on Explore GPTs. Here you can search for ASMR video tools. Just type ASMR in the search bar. You'll find different models that are perfect for making these kinds of satisfying Minecraft videos. Choose one of the top models. I've added the one I use in the description below to make it even easier for you. Now give it a small and simple prompt. For example, just type something like Minecraft block, then click the Generate button. ChatGPT will create a ready-made ASMR prompt for you. It's super simple. Copy that prompt. We'll now use it to generate an image. If you want to use a different block, no problem. Just change the name in the prompt. For example, you can type diamond block, gold block, or any other, and a new ASMR-style image prompt will be ready. Now take the prompt you got from ChatGPT and copy it. Then go to a website called ImageFX. I've added the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, sign up or log in. After logging in, you'll see a simple interface. Paste your prompt into the box. Now, before generating the image, click on the Settings button and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Then click on the Create button. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. Click to download the image to your computer or phone. To make a longer video, you'll need more than one image. So go back to ChatGPT and type the same prompt, but with a different Minecraft block, like gold block, grass block, obsidian, etc. Copy the new prompt, go back to ImageFX and generate another image. Repeat this process until you have 3 to 5 images. Both will turn your images into a full video. Go to this website, flow.lab.google.com. Click Create with Flow. Then, from the right side, click New Project. Now do this. Select Frame to Video. Click the 3 lines in the top left corner. Choose Video 1 and select VO3 Beta. Then click the plus icon, plus, to upload your image from ImageFX. For each image, use the same prompt you used earlier to keep it consistent. Click Generate, and your 30 to 40 second ASMR-style video will be ready. Now repeat the same steps to turn all your images into video clips. Just upload each image to Flow, paste the prompt again, and click the Generate button. Once you have all your short videos ready, you can combine them into one full video. To do that, use any free video editing software, like CapCut, VN, or InShot. Just add the clips one after the other. Now your ASMR Minecraft video is ready. You can post it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, wherever you want. This is how creators are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars with simple, satisfying videos. Let's preview the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links in the description below. I've added everything you need to get started.